Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 to 2020 3.3 engine. The starter is located at the front of the engine under the exhaust manifold. To replace it, disconnect the battery, remove the connector and cable from the starter, unscrew 3 mounting bolts from other side and replace the starter with a new one.